So you guys know how deep we get into these boats. Poor neighbor. Look at this, guys.
Ozzy, smuggle some Cubans this one, man. To make some money on this rap. Pay for it.
Oh my God, this is so funny. Yeah, hey, listen.
I need him for real. Yeah, okay. I can get out.
All right. Oh my goodness, you got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. Another wide body 13.5. This thing just woke up right here. Really? No. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Oh my God, people. We are going to do this all over again. Guys, guess what? Another, I mean, word spreads. These boats talk to each other. They say, oh my God, please tell Alfred to rescue me. So somehow, some way, this guy found his way to my heart. Now, we're almost done with this guy here, but we're gonna have to put an engine on him, or her, whatever she is, or he is, or nowadays it might be both, who knows. But whatever it is, we're gonna go ahead and put power. We still got a couple things that we have to do for the trim and stuff like that we weren't able to do because we're putting a bimini on this guy, and there's special requests on the bimini, so he has a pretty difficult request, and we don't want to put a rail line for the bimini. So we'll try to see part 4. Let's put this engine on and let's finish up the finishing touches so we can close out this video, baby. This is the Nautica wide body full restoration and repower. And she is going, what did I just come to? And this is where she's gonna get her motor. Outdoor Specialties. Oh my God, I don't even know if we have space to put this place. This place is loaded with boats. Part 4 of the Nautica wide body restoration, guys. Look back there, look in the mirror, and it's pretty. Let's do this. I got the cushions in here, and let's look for the people we gotta talk to. All right, guys, she's going in. We got her here at Outdoor Specialties. We got the guys here. We got Trent taking a look at it. He already saw everything he needs. This pretty lady is gonna get a brand new 50 Suzuki, and the guys here at Outdoor Specialties are gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. Let's check out the store. All right, so here we got the inside of the store. You got a parts department. You got all this stuff going on here. Look, these guys are big time Suzuki people. So if you guys are looking for Suzuki, definitely take the ride to Pompano. You got everything. You got used, new, everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. A little 12 Nautica. No engine, nothing. It's been stripped. It's been taken to a Ritz-Carlton and been put in the bathtub with ice, and they took your kidneys. That's horrible. No, guys, listen. Be careful what you do over in New York, man. It's a nice little boat. Make this up. So I literally just dropped the 13.5 wide body off at Outdoor Specialties. And while I'm up here waiting, I said, you know what? Let me see if there's any boats around here. Sure enough, there's a boat that I said, hey, 12 Nautica wide body. I don't come to Pompano every day. Let's go ahead and pick up the boat. We got a good deal, nice guy, and it's something that we can restore, you know? Look, I'm trying to get my hands on as many holes as possible because I want to go ahead and get the templates of all the upholstery and all the parts so I can at least provide some type of part network for all these Nautica boats that are, you know, still floating around in the market. A lot of people, if they had the option, will definitely try to fix them. So I guess another boat in the repertoire to go ahead and start fixing up. So we might see I don't know, a retube, maybe a restoration if somebody's brave enough to do a restoration. I just met with one of the owners of the boat that we're fixing, the 13.5. So we'll see what happens. It is what it is. I just thought it was pretty entertaining and funny that I literally came up here to drop off a boat and then I came down and bought another boat. Crazy, crazy. You never know when you wake up doing this stuff. You don't know what you're gonna do next. Bro, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Bro. What is this? What, did this fall like in a in a Home Depot? Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, I got the guy just for you.
Oh man, another limpia patio.
Oh my God, what is this, guys? What is this? What is this? All right, so look, hey, look, it's not terrible. It just looks funny. Man, let me tell you, some people, they just, look at this. I just picked up a boat and they gave me paint for the boat. Guys, hey, if this could survive Armageddon, I think anything can. Está nuevo a hacer, eh?
Yeah, the paint looks brand new.
Yeah, the paint. Yeah, look at this. Man, not even a good painter.
Oh, look, it happened.
Yeah. It happened. It really happened, people. I went to go ahead and drop off the 13.5 and I came back with a 12. Here's another 13.5. Don't worry about it. We'll fix this guy too. This is a Nautica wide body 12. What is this, bro? What is wrong with people? Let's dive deep into this guy. You know, let's compare apples to apples. Guys, today is like, can you shut up? Hold on a second. What's wrong with these people, man? You've been muted. I'm here trying to have a moment and freaking TV's on. Like I'm watching. I went to a place today to pick up a boat. The first thing the guy tells me is, "Hey Alfred, I love your channel on YouTube." In my mind I said, "Oh." And then I said, this is gonna be a problem now, because how am I gonna negotiate with somebody? You know, it gets kind of weird. So I go, "You've seen all the inflatable parts, right? I have no leverage at this point. I've given it all away at the on the channel." And he goes, "No, I just saw the Yamaha repair video of the 40 horsepower that you did," which I give credit to Eric Edick. He has a channel on YouTube that I stole that from him, and you know, I've told him openly that I did. I just did it on my terms. I actually put the part numbers on my video. Long story short, send an email now. Once I send the email to another guy, because a friend of mine just called me today and give me a boat. "Alfred, get this boat, do something, I don't know, figure it out." So I start hunting and stalking for the same boat, see if I can find some tubes for it. I send the guy an email, I send him a message, maybe make him like an offer to see if maybe I can go ahead and get the tubes off of his boat, because hey, his tubes are good. The guy goes, "Sorry man, love your channel, how about you find me a console for my boat?" I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So guys, today's like the day that I'm realizing that either I have to actually make a whole new email alias, name, or whatever, if I want to still try to buy these boats. But people are going to recognize me anyways at some point, you know, if they're into the whole repairing stuff. But today's the day. Today is the day that it's sinking, saying, uh-oh, I have to find another way, because I'm not going to be able to do all these boats, not for me. So I think this is going to happen. The way this is going to evolve is I'm going to have to do flips and fixes for you guys. So you heard it here first. And whatever, I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys, because it's been an interesting day. I literally got a Nautica 12 wide body today, and I got a Novurania today. So thanks for watching, thanks for liking. Let's figure out the next stage of this epic channel we're trying to create. I'm out of here. Hey, you're gone.